Hello and welcome to my channel. So in celebration of Game of Thrones finally being back on our TV screens, I am doing a Mother of Dragons inspired makeup look. Khaleesi, Daenerys, whatever you'd like to call her, the only person worthy of that throne. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I was a bit nervous because this is kind of a bit of a spoiler if you're not up to date. But sorry, I just really wanted to do this look. If you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep watching. I've already done my brows and my base and I go straight into the eyes. I'm using the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay and the eyeshadow called Riff, and I blend this into my crease and also bring it down to my lower lash line on the outside. I then apply some mascara and then later on I apply some lashes as well. But before we do that, I'm going to now go into the dragons on my chest. So like I normally do, I use a white eyeliner pencil and I first kind of draw circles on what areas I want to draw the three dragons in, just so I don't overlap and make one much bigger than the other. And once I have them areas down, I then draw the dragons inside of it. I looked at a lot of dragon tattoos on a Pinterest to help me kind of figure out how to position them, and I decided to have the two outside dragons a browny reddy colour and the one in the middle to be a blue icy colour. I tried to make them all look a little bit different so that they're kind of in different positions in flight as well, but I did want them to look like they were kind of flying around me or up my body. So I used a brown face paint to go over the white sketches on the outside dragons, and then I used a blue face paint to go over the outline sketch in the middle dragon. The face paints I used for this are by SHAZAM, like normal. And then when it's time to draw kind of the icy fire, I guess you would say, coming out of the middle dragon, I just get a blue face paint on a fluffy brush and start to blend it up my neck and onto the side of my face. I also get some white as well to add in there to make it a lot more icy, and I add some to my lips as well. Going back to the dragons, I add some red to the wings, as the wings normally in dragons are kind of a little bit see-through in a way. You can kind of see some light through them. So I made sure that the wings were going to be a lot lighter and had more colour in them. So I painted them red first and then went in with the shadows with a brown face paint. I then did exactly the same with the blue dragon, but made the wings a lot lighter blue, and then in the centre and the shadows are obviously a lot darker blue. I didn't really give them any detailed faces for this because they were so small. I didn't want to make it really complicated. Going back to my face, I got a harder brush and put some white face paint in it, so when I stipple it on my face it's a lot more chunkier and looks more ice-like. So this is the final look and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It has got me so much more excited for the new season of Game of Thrones. New season and last season, my heart's broken, but I just know that it's going to be an amazing season. So if you watch Game of Thrones, who would you like to see sitting on that throne? And I have so many favourites that I'm pretty sure whatever the outcome is that I'm gonna love it regardless. I kind of want like 4 people on the throne. Like, can I do that? If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me and my channel out. If you like creative makeup looks like this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button because that is all I do here on this channel, and a lot of them are inspired by new released films, TV shows, things like that. So if you're interested in that type of stuff as well, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's at Brooke.Ellis_. I'm literally like overwhelmed because while filming this, I hit 33,000 followers on there and I just can't. I want to scream, but I was like halfway through painting this, so I was like, ah. If you are following me on there, thank you so much for support, and also for watching this video. You're supporting me on here as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.